Go green and be part of a virtuous cycle. Stand for pros.
Standing for pros means standing for a brighter, cleaner, greener future for you, hair pros and hair lovers. Together, we can protect our planet as well as our industry.
Our goal is clear: to achieve the perfect product with the best performance and the best experience, being the most environmentally friendly to reduce our impact on the planet.
Concrete actions to preserve the materials we use the most: plastic, aluminum, and paper, as well as re-engineering the way we use our most precious resource, water.
At L'Oréal Professionnel Paris, we have very ambitious goals of reducing the usage of virgin plastic. This is why we redesigned our Série Expert line to be made of recycled plastic. First, we changed the entire design with a new, lighter bottle to reduce the use of plastic. Second, replacing virgin plastic with recycled plastic, as we did on our Blonde Studio jars and Color Tube caps. All this while making sure our new bottles are still beautiful and ergonomic. We believe that aesthetics and recyclability can happily coexist.
With these global actions, our goal by 2025 is to completely ban the use of virgin plastic. Our second action is the reduction of aluminum. This material is largely found in our color tubes to protect our formulas.
We're constantly reinventing ourselves in a more sustainable way. Starting August 2021, the tubes for Dialite, our acidic gloss color, will be completely recyclable and made of 95% recycled aluminum. By 2025, all of the L'Oréal Professionnel color tube will be made of entirely recycled raw material and will be 12% lighter than the current tubes.
To reduce paper consumption, we made all lookbooks and swatch books fully digital.
At L'Oréal Professionnel Paris, we are reinventing the beauty consumer experience. We have a digital swatch book with all the shades from the color portfolio and many mood boards with the freshest looks. Today, we have more than 1 million downloads and the app is available in 85 countries. This digital transformation allows us to reduce the use and production of paper.
And using Style My Hair Pro, you too are contributing to this change. In addition to the reduction of waste, we value water, a precious resource we cannot afford to take for granted. Our water loop factory in Burgos, Spain was conceived to reduce water at every stage of the product life cycle.
As an engineer and global citizen, I'm very proud to be part of this super talented team at Burgos. We never waste one drop of water. This means that the only water we consume, beside the human consumption, is the one that goes in the products.
This makes the Burgos water plant a unique factory, recycling 100% of the water usage in these industrial processes.
We are always ready to saisir ce qui commence and reinforce our role as a pioneer to create the beauty that moves the world.
Stand for pros.
Catch the new full episode of Run the Hair Show.
Watch now.